Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hot swap your battery on RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. To hot swap your battery, which means the device doesn't shut down during that, first make sure that your fresh battery is already prepared and that you'll be able to easily put it on, because you'll have like 180 seconds to insert the new battery, so make sure that it's already ready so you can easily insert it. Now when you're ready, make sure that your device is on. If it's off, then it's not a hot swap, but you can still do it. When the device is on, basically unlock this little lock right here. Then use your fingernail or anything else to pry right here to open the back cover. Now when you do that, on your screen the time will be displayed. Now remove your battery by pulling this tape right here. You can see the battery is out, but the device still works, and it'll work for another 160 seconds in my case. Then I'll put the same one in, but if you have another battery, just put it in, like so. And now it stops counting down anymore. You can put the cover on, make sure it's on properly, and lock it. And as you can see, the battery was now hot swapped without any problems connected with like the device turning off. So that was really easy, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.